Well, welcome. I'm so glad you had a few moments to speak with us tonight. Could you introduce yourself to our viewers? Tell us who you are and your organization. What do you do?
Okay. My name is Ananth Seshan. I am CEO of 5G Technologies Limited. We have developed a product called BorgConnect, which is a smart manufacturing platform for the small and medium enterprises.
Yes, indeed. So I know that it aims at democratizing Industry 4.0 solutions. So tell us a little bit more about how it's actually doing so.
Okay. So let me qualify democratization just for the sake of being on the same page. So if you look at all the manufacturing economies of the world, 95% of them are small and medium enterprises in all of these manufacturing economies, which means that only 5% are large companies. And if you look at the proliferation of smart manufacturing or Industry 4 or digitalization for that matter, there's been only with the 5%. The 95% have not participated thus far. So that's an untapped market. The main reasons are, we did a survey and tried to find out why that's happening. The main reasons are, there is a significant amount of investment that's required for a small and medium enterprise to enter into the fray of smart manufacturing. That is the first, and the network infrastructure has to be set up. A company would need a dedicated professional to oversee the implementation. And then the implementation time would be quite extended. So these were the entry barriers. So our philosophy was to try and break these barriers, to make it very simple to implement, to make it very low cost, to make it DIY, and therefore, it is possible for the small and medium enterprises all to embrace. This way, we thought that we could democratize the entire SME base, which is the larger majority of all of the manufacturing.
Thank you for clarifying that. I think that that's important. Are there any specific industries that you feel would benefit more from the BorgConnect implementation?
Yes, the industries that are mainly very suitable for this kind of democratization or implementation are those which are producing products of small volume but a large variety. In large companies, you have mass manufacturing happening. For those companies, it's easy to automate. For companies that have to adapt, every day they have 100 products in a week to be produced. And in small volumes, then it is a very tough challenge to automate. Smart manufacturing helps in adapting to those changes very quickly. And that's why I think this is the segment that we are targeting. And most of the small volume, high variety manufacturers are SMEs. So it will cater to them.
Excellent. Now, when it comes to optimizing factory floor performance, be it from an energy or a productivity perspective, what are some of the challenges that you've seen so far that organizations seem to struggle with the most?
Well, I can probably share with you a recent survey that we did on the challenges that the SME industry was facing. And they all pointed to one specific sort of trend, which was uncertainty. Uncertainty because of there was a demand volatility. Uncertainty because supply chain was not predictable. Uncertainty because of margins being wafer thin. So all of these were pointing to the fact that all of the SMEs need to be more resilient. For being more resilient, you need to have data in your fingertips. Data that can transform itself into information, which can be used for modeling, which can be used for analysis from there, and then that can result in competitiveness. So that's sort of the journey that we are looking at small and medium enterprises embarking on using our technology.
Excellent, excellent. Thank you so much for giving us a few moments of your time tonight. We appreciate it.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.